Destructive diet, foods ravaging your health. Processed meats, often found in deli counters and fast food menus, harbor hidden dangers beneath their savory appeal. Laden with preservatives like sodium nitrate, these meats increase the risk of chronic diseases including cancer and heart disease, making them a risky dietary choice. Sugary drinks, masquerading as refreshing beverages, are in fact a sweet threat to health. Their high sugar content leads to weight gain, insulin resistance, and diabetes. These drinks, devoid of nutritional value, contribute to the global epidemic of obesity, affecting millions worldwide. Trans fats, the invisible enemy, lurk in many packaged foods. Created by adding hydrogen to vegetable oil, they extend shelf life but at a high cost to cardiovascular health. Consuming trans fats raises bad cholesterol levels while lowering good cholesterol, doubling the risk of heart disease. White bread, a staple in many diets, strips away nutritional value in favor of texture and shelf life. Made from refined flour, it lacks essential fibers and nutrients, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar and contributing to obesity and diabetes. Fast food, the epitome of convenience, is a quick road to poor health. High in calories, saturated fats, and sodium, regular consumption can lead to serious health issues like obesity, diabetes, and hypertension, making it a choice best avoided for a healthy lifestyle. High fructose corn syrup, often found lurking in sweetened beverages and processed snacks, poses a stealthy danger to your health. This sweetener can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance, setting the stage for diabetes and heart disease. Limiting its consumption is crucial. Artificial sweeteners, once hailed as the solution to sugar's problems, carry their own set of issues. They can disrupt the body's natural ability to regulate calorie intake, potentially leading to overeating, weight gain, and metabolic disorders. Opting for natural sweeteners in moderation is advisable. Margarine has long been marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, but the reality is far different. Many margarines contain harmful trans fats that increase bad cholesterol and risk of heart disease. Switching to natural fats like butter in small amounts is a better choice. Frozen meals, the epitome of convenience, often come at a high nutritional cost. They're typically loaded with sodium and preservatives, lacking in essential nutrients. Preparing simple, fresh meals at home can significantly improve your dietary quality without sacrificing too much time. Refined oils, found in numerous processed and fried foods, can be deceptive. Despite being labeled as healthy, they're often processed in a way that strips away nutritional value and introduces harmful compounds. Opting for cold-pressed, unrefined oils can enhance your diet's quality. Refined oils, often heralded as healthy fats, lurk in our kitchens, masking their true effects. These processed oils undergo extensive treatments, stripping them of nutritional value and introducing harmful compounds. Their consumption is linked to increased inflammation and heart disease risk, underscoring the importance of choosing oils wisely. Understanding the impact of diet on health transcends mere calorie counting. It's about the intricate dance of nutrients and their role in our body's function. A poor diet can be the root of many chronic conditions, spotlighting the need for informed food choices. The science behind the harmful effects of certain foods is compelling. For instance, trans fats and added sugars have been shown to disrupt metabolic health and contribute to heart disease and diabetes. This knowledge arms us with the power to make healthier food decisions. Chronic diseases, such as obesity and type 2 diabetes, are often fueled by diets high in processed foods and low in nutritional value. Recognizing how these foods contribute to long-term health issues is a crucial step in reversing the trend of rising chronic disease rates. Opting for healthier alternatives doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or convenience. Whole grains, lean proteins, and fresh produce can replace harmful items, transforming meals into a powerhouse of nutrients. This switch not only enhances overall health but also sets the stage for a lifetime of better eating habits. Reading labels is your first line of defense in the battle against unhealthy foods. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the common names for sugar, trans fats, and artificial additives. This knowledge empowers you to make informed choices and avoid hidden dangers. The role of sugar and fat in modern health issues cannot be overstated. These components, particularly when consumed in excess, contribute significantly to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Understanding their impact helps us make conscious decisions about our food intake. Strategies for reducing your intake of unhealthy foods often begin with small, manageable changes. Opting for water over sugary drinks or choosing whole grains instead of refined ones can have a profound impact on your health over time. The importance of whole foods in a balanced diet is undeniable. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals ensures you get the essential nutrients your body needs to function optimally. Success stories of people who improved their health by changing their diets serve as powerful motivation. These stories remind us that making healthier food choices can lead to significant improvements in our overall well-being and quality of life. Embarking on a journey to a healthier diet begins with small, manageable changes. Swap out processed foods for whole, nutrient-rich options and integrate more fruits and vegetables. Gradually, these adjustments become habits, paving the way to a more vibrant health profile. Empowering yourself to make better food choices is a commitment to your well-being. By educating yourself on the impact of diet on health and actively choosing wholesome foods, you can significantly enhance your quality of life and longevity.